In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to Convertkit. This simple process will take just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, we need to open your web browser and navigate to the Convertkit website. If you're not already familiar, Convertkit is a powerful email marketing platform designed for creators. It helps you build an engaged audience by allowing you to easily create and manage your email campaigns. Once you're on the website, log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. Be sure you're logged into the account where you want to manage and edit your email broadcasts. Now that you're logged in, the next step is finding the perfect GIF to add to your email. One of the best resources for finding GIFs is a website called Giphy. It's well stocked with all kinds of GIFs, ranging from funny to informative, animated visuals that can bring a little extra flair to your email content. Take your time browsing through the options. Once you've found a GIF that you like and fits well with the message of your email, you're ready to save it. To do this, simply right-click on the GIF you've chosen. A menu will pop up, and you'll want to click on Save Image As from the list of options. It's crucial that you ensure the file is saved in the GIF format, as Convertkit requires GIF files to maintain their animation. Save it in an easily accessible location on your computer so you can easily find it in the next steps. Moving on, it's time to jump back into Convertkit. From your dashboard, direct your attention to the Send tab. Under this tab, you'll see an option labeled Broadcasts. Click on that to view your list of email broadcasts. Choose the specific email that you want to edit and add your new GIF to. This will open the email editor where you can make changes to your draft. Now in the email editor, look for the area in your email where you want to insert the GIF. Typically, this will be within the body of your email where visuals pack the most punch amidst text. Click on the image area and then select the Replace option. This action will prompt you to upload a file. Locate the GIF file you saved earlier and upload it to your email draft. Give your email a final review to ensure everything looks just right. Once you've confirmed that the GIF appears correctly and complements your email content, save your changes. And just like that, you've successfully added a captivating GIF to your Convertkit email. This small but effective visual element can greatly enhance the engagement and aesthetics of your email campaign. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.